語中じゃなくて。
このプレスウインカーついてる。
曲がってる途中で出して左折中
So that was Ramen Rotas, I would say almost famous Ramen Rotas, at least in the ramen community. If you are a hobby chef or a pro chef even, then you have probably seen the videos of Ramen Rotas on YouTube where they are showing in their professional kitchen on how to make several recipes. And yeah, they have a large following. I think by now they have 220,000 subscribers on their YouTube channel. But the interesting thing is there's actually not that much that would tell you like that they have a YouTube channel, other than maybe a small note on their Instagram page. But in the shop itself, there's actually no advertising for it. So it seems like there's not much of a connection here. But yeah, I definitely recognize the kitchen from the videos. So it's quite interesting to actually see that from the other side as a customer in the shop. And yeah, the shop itself is near Mishima station, which is a little bit in the middle of nowhere between Shizuoka and Tokyo. And it's not really a destination that has anything else to offer. So I wouldn't necessarily recommend Ramen Rotas for other people than maybe hardcore ramen fanatics. And even then, I'm not 100% sure if you need to make it all the way out there, other than maybe, you know, to get a feeling for what their kitchen is like, what their setup is like. And also, well, to see how a ramen shop can really dominate the Japanese countryside with I would say a Tokyo style quality that definitely can, if the shop was in Tokyo, I'm sure it would find its customers base there as well. And what's incredible here is I mean, I had their Niboshi ramen, which was really, really good on a high level, but their menu is just incredibly huge. I think they have like 6 or 7 big main bowls on the menu that can then be further modified, and it's just incredible, like just how much variety they can offer just in one ramen shop. And I believe, from what I've seen, I was seated in a very good position to watch their operation, and I believe that probably all of their bowls are on a very, very high level. And I mean, it kind of makes sense if you watch their ramen videos, how they make their stuff, that, you know, they know what they're doing, they know what they're talking about, they're well connected. So yeah, I'm not too worried that their other bowls are also fantastic. So if you're living in the area, it's probably a spot that you can go to and every day of the week have a different bowl of ramen and never get bored, really. And yeah, in that sense, Lotas definitely is a good business case to study for all the people who want to open their own ramen shop, especially in terms of marketing. I'm sure a lot of people know about this shop only because of their YouTube channel. So probably they also have a lot of, you know, ramen people come in and check their ramen out that otherwise would maybe not necessarily know about this shop. And yeah, just talking a little bit about their ramen that I had, the Niboshi ramen. It was like I would say like a mellow Niboshi flavor that still had a little bit of a Niboshi kick to it, but something that can, yeah, easily be enjoyed by the majority of people, even if you're not the biggest Niboshi fan. And I think that makes sense if you're out here in an area where you have to appeal to a more broad audience compared to maybe Tokyo, where you can really specialize and focus on the people that really want some kind of heavy Niboshi flavors. But I really enjoyed it. The noodles fit perfectly. The egg was really well executed, had like a really nice seasoning throughout, really nice and salty. So I really liked that a lot. And overall, yeah, I can easily recommend visiting Ramen Rotas here in Mishima City. And that's all from me for today. Unfortunately, I had to make this video out of my hotel room. I really wanted to just quickly get to my hotel here in Shizuoka. And I will continue my journey on the coast of Japan and visit a few more of these shops out a little bit more in the countryside area. And that's all from me for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.